friends, hope you are doing well. On special request, I am going to make Veg Manchurian or Cabbage Manchurian for Shweta and Varsha. This recipe for you. So let's see ingredients. Here I have a spring onion, white spring onion and green spring onion, bell peppers, green, red and yellow. You can take green also. And this is cabbage and green chilies. This is for gravy. Here I have finely chopped garlic and ginger, Szechuan sauce, vinegar and soy sauce. Here I have grated cabbage, around half medium sized cabbage. You can see I have grated finely. Okay. In this mixture I am going to add 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, and 1 spoon red chili powder. You can take as per your taste. Salt to taste. I'm going to add 2 spoon all-purpose flour and 2 spoon corn flour. Mix everything together. Here you can see our binding is not perfect, so I need to add some more flour. Mix everything properly like this. Just do hand exercise. Now you can see our batter is perfect now. Our batter is done. Here I have Manchurian balls from the mixture. Now I'm going to fry it on medium flame. Fry one by one. Here I am not adding any food color. Just separate the balls in between. Keep stirring also on medium flame. You can see. You can see your Manchurian balls has a golden brown colors. Keep frying another few seconds. Now you can see our Manchurian balls as ready. Now take it out one by one. You can see looking colorful, very tempting. You can eat as it is with sauce also or with gravy also. Today I am going to make with gravy. Now you can see our Manchurian balls are ready. You can see how crunchy these are. In very hot pan, add some oil. In very hot pan, add 2 spoon garlic and 1 spoon ginger. pepper, add 1 spoon Szechuan sauce, 1 spoon tomato sauce, around 1 spoon soy sauce, and 1 spoon vinegar. Mix it properly. Add dash of water. And some water. Add little bit of in this mixture. I'm going to add Manchurian balls. Mix it properly. Make sure your pan is hot on high flame. Add some cabbage and spring onion. You can see our Manchurian, Veg Manchurian is ready. Our Manchurian balls are ready. Please, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Give it a try and share your experience through comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.